You see, I wear many hats, right? Today is our tech series. And on our top on my channel, afomicworld, we deal with education, tech, politics, and digital marketing. And today on our tech series, I'll teach you how to create Google Form within 2 to 3 minutes. Now, please pardon me with my background noise. The neighbors and the rest, please only listen to my own voice. So all you need to do is get ChatGPT. Now, my last video, I taught how to get ChatGPT 5.2. Although you can use different program, you can use different ChatGPT version. So now I want to create a Google form within 5 minutes. Some of you have prepared questions already. You can do that. But me, I don't have a question and I don't have time to write it. So how will you do? What will I do? So what will I do? Let's go to browser. This ChatGPT. Um, a Google form. If I'm to create a Google form, if I open a blank form, I create a Google form, and I'm creating. I have to type my question, put down that one and the likes, and before you know, time will have gone. I don't have time for that. So what will I do? I just go to ChatGPT, type something like this there, prepare a questionnaire for my YouTube channel. Now you could be a social media manager, or let's say you are a virtual assistant, or you are working in the bank, or whatsoever reason that you are using Google Form that you need it. All you need to do is get ChatGPT, the 5.2 or any premium version. I did a tutorial on that in my last video. But you can use virtually, even if you are using a normal ChatGPT to run this program for you. Now, you can prepare a questionnaire for YouTube. You can give an instruction. Talk about whether you want open-ended question or closed-ended, or you want ratings, you want linear rating, whatever instruction you want for the code, for the questionnaire is going to do that for you. So let me delete. Okay, I need the script for Google Form only now. Look at it. I send it. Now it's going to take time to give me my ready-made questions. Ignore my background voice. So sorry about that. So it's loading, right? Now on Google, click on this option and we have what we call app scripts. App script is more like this vibe coding stuff, whereby those that for those that have basic knowledge of coding and like. But let's assume my audience are people that just normal tech guys that just do basic stuff with and this thing. So I think the code here should be in Python or the likes, but I don't think you need that information. So all my questions are prepared here, 1 to 12. What I need to do, I'll just ask ChatGPT to give me a correct code for Google app scripts that will create the form without errors. Now let me send it. It's going to send some code to me. Now it's creating the code. Whatever reason it's creating it. Alright, it's creating the code. So let's go until reach 12. So what is app scripts? App script is a cloud-based JavaScript platform powered by Google that allows you to integrate and automate tasks around Google products. For developers, to extend Google Workspace. There are things that Google Workspace can do that the normal user do not have knowledge on. But if you know how to code, it's a good plus for you. But you don't need to know how to code because of these tags, because this can do it for you. So this is it, 1 to 12, right? So I copy my code This asterisk option to here is comment. You can delete it, but don't delete it, so I don't want you to be confused. Just copy the whole code, and then you go to, let me rename the project to YouTube questions. Ignore my background. The background stop as well. So you click on, or like we deleted everything that is there, we deleted it. So you paste the new one here. Look at it. So you click on save to drive, save project to drive. So we have saved the project to drive. Now we are going to test our code. Is when this code run error free that you can able to go ahead with it. So they will ask you for authorization. Yes, you permit it with your Google account. You must have Google account to do this, definitely. It's a Google form you are creating. Why is it telling me that it's safe? This app has not been verified with Google because this app is requesting some access. Okay. Let me continue. So it has been verified. So execution started. Now there's an error. So I go back to my ChatGPT. Although I can correct it on my own, but for those who don't know that code, let me just tell ChatGPT. There is an error with the code. Give me an error-free code, please. Send to ChatGPT. Now you know this video is just for illustration purpose, right? If I'm to do it normally on my own, I will have been done within 1 minute. So that's the error. This form.create choice. So it's correcting itself. So let's wait. It's gonna take time, and while you're at it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can get more content like this. I create content around education, politics, defense, tech, and my tech should be around digital marketing, social media management, and basic stuff that everyone in the tech industry should know. So please follow me also on TikTok. Follow me on afomicworld, and subscribe and share more of my videos for more tips like this. You're not paying anything, are you? So that shouldn't be something too difficult for you to do. So we copy the code. Let me delete the previous one, and then I paste, then I save to drive. Now run it. Now execution started. It's loading. Now our form is complete, execution completed. Now let me go back to my Google form. I will see it in my Google form. Let me refresh it. What's the time? 3:40. Yes, this is it. 3:40. This is it. Now look at it. That has been created. Now you can choose to modify it here. Maybe if you have anything, you can edit it. You can add more questions if you like. Your settings can, make this a quiz or whatsoever. If you want to make further edits, then your response, you can publish or unpublish it here. So this is how to create a Google form within 1 to 2 minutes using ChatGPT and Google App Scripts. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll be taking questions in the comment for my subscribers only. See you in the next video.